Hello, YouTube. Yeah, I hope everyone is doing well. Yes, welcome back to the second day of the market within the week. We just have a half day for a half week because Monday was already out due to the President's Day in United States. So every stock market within the different countries were closed. So the market just opened yesterday, and a lot of activities have actually started popping up. But today, I just want to share with you what you should look out for, because in the first 30 minutes of today's market, there's going to be a high upside. Yeah, it's going to be upside. So for those of you who do intraday trading, so you can set your entry point at an exit point, that is your buy and your sell within the first 30 minutes. Some person will also do 5 minutes, even 10 minutes, depending on the volume of your portfolio. So once that 30 minutes, you begin to see stocks begin to come down to balance up, but there must be an upside in the first 30 minutes. You can see Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, all of them are already doing amazing. Look at Nasdaq already doing plus 130.75 point. Dow Jones is already doing a 143. S&P 30. So these are some of the things you should be looking out for. And when you look at the stock list, this is my watch list, and then you can see a lot of them during this overnight trade. They're already doing some upside. Yes, many of them. And one other thing I need you to look out for again is the upcoming IPOs. Yes, a lot of companies, big large organizations are going to be coming public within the year, middle of the year, third quarter of the year. A lot of them. And one of those stocks that much speculations, expectations, high hope is already piling up for is the XAI. That is Elon Musk, SpaceX company that is going to come up. And then you also have Anthropic, OpenAI, Perplexity. These are large organizations that we're looking at for their IPOs this year. And once they do, because their valuation is already high, so you just need to follow up. Make sure you are following me. Make sure you read all my analysis, because once these stocks are about to come on board, I will always notify my mentorship group. Those who are really serious about investment, they're already in the mentorship group, and so there's going to be a lot of opportunities down there. So you see Redwire Corporation is a buy. It's a buy. Yes, I've listed it. This stock, I think few weeks ago, I bought this stock when it was $10. Now it has dropped, so I'm already at loss. Not completely at loss, but the value of my shares are already dropping. But it gives me another more opportunity to buy more. You can see when it was $7.53. That is a buy opportunity for you. So at the moment that this stock it is already trading below the intrinsic value. And this is a stock, a company price, the valuation, which is the market cap of $1.3 billion. And you can see it's trading below. This is the high. The 52-week high is $25, and now it's trading $8, 52-week low. You see, 52 weeks. So you still have over 200% to hit the 52-week high. So there's a large opportunity for those who are going to be taking on this stock. So if you have bought before, utilize this opportunity to buy more, accumulate, because this time I call it accumulation period, where people should accumulate more stock into their portfolio and make sure you buy the right stocks, because not all stocks are right at a particular time. There are some great organizations, great companies that are already trading are in fact overvalued. Those stocks, once they are overvalued, it's not advisable for a stock investor who is just starting up or you have a long-term goal to begin to buy them. You buy, for those who have a long-term investment goal, you buy stocks that are below their intrinsic value, so that once they come up, you will be in profit. And so those are the things. And one other, I want to list one other stuff for you guys to add to your radar, which is Hood. That is Robin Hood. Yes, Robin Hood. For those who have been following, I've always mentioned this particular company. It's an exchange. It's an exchange company that gives you an access to trade both stock, both cryptocurrency, currencies, different currencies and all that. You also do options. You can do options trade, swing trade. This is Robinhood. Robinhood is an amazing company, amazing organization that actually came on board just last year. It's not up to one year that it came publicly, and these are what you should be looking at for, because the opportunities are going to be awesome. You can see the 52-week high is 153.86 cent, and now it's trading 75.44 dollars at the moment. So you still have a gap to be able to meet up, and this is $68 billion market cap. It's a big company, it's a large company. And for those of you who are in US, UK, Canada, any other part of the country that is not Africa, get Robinhood as your investment platform. You use it because they have a lot of opportunity, a lot of features like options. For those who trade on platform in Africa, you hardly option any of these trade, but Robinhood give you that access to be able to do options. So, and I do that for my investors. Those I manage their portfolios. I use this to be able to help them make good money. Imagine buying an option at $9, having 100 units of it, and this stock hit, in fact, $30 within the space of 3 months or 6 months. That is over 300% upside. And when you check the options, you would have made a lot of profit. So these are the things that you must be looking at for this 2026, because it's all about opportunities, all about financial growth. And then last but not least is Lyft. Yes, Lyft has been on the low. However, in the next 2-3 years, this company is going to do amazing things, and now is for you to step in. Because one thing that a lot of people fail to understand is that you hardly know opportunity when it arrives. It is when it has come and you have passed that stage, that is when you look back, you say, oh, it was an opportunity for you to buy XYZ at a time, not when it is coming. But as an analyst, a technical analyst, I'm always telling you what is expected. These are opportunities that you should take. Don't see the dip as a fear factor, but see it as a buying opportunity for you. Because if you are a civil servant, expecting your retirement in the next 5 years, 8 years, 3 years, and all that, these are the stuff that you should buy. Accumulate them, because they will survive you even after your retirement. Because as they grow, you are already growing. I love companies like this to buy, because I bought stock at $3. I think one of the stock that I bought at $3 plus was last year. It was this APLD. Yes, this APLD. You can see it was $3.44 when I bought it in March 2025, and look at where the price is right now. If you check it 1 year after, it's already doing 268%. But in my portfolio, I'm already doing almost 300%. These are the great opportunities that you can always find right here, following Coach Casimir and making sure that you buy at the right time. And one indicator that you need to also use to guide you through is this SPY, S&P 500, the biggest S&P, the ETF in the market today is SPY. Based on the market cap, you see it's already doing 2.90% overnight trade, meaning that there's going to be an upside. That's why one of the reasons why I tell you that in the first 30 minutes of the market today, there's going to be an upside. And then for those who do intraday, you take the profit, and then you wait. Once they come down, you pick it again, because it's all about trade. It's all about opportunity. It's all about investment. It's all about profit. That are the things that you should look at for. So once again, help this video to get at least 50 likes. If you haven't subscribe to the YouTube channel, do well to do so. Hit the notification bell, so that anytime I drop valuable information like this, you can always take it immediately. And those who want us to guide them one-on-one can hit me up on my WhatsApp. I will guide you through, or you drop a message on the comment section. I will know if you're making profit or not. If you're having any challenge, we're always here to help you through.